And we came down to Auchi, and we've arrested some of the kingpins, and they are giving us useful information. And we are still on the heels of others that are still at large. They will definitely catch up with them because we've been giving information on where they are and how they carried out the information, the actions that they did. It is wrong, and we've told them there is no way for that type of thing in a civilized society like this. We are not going to condone any form of cultism in these states. Whether it's the Aye, the Eye, the Vikings, and the jurists. These are the four organizations that I said are the people perpetuating this evil act. The governor has banned unauthorized revenue collection. This place is unauthorized and has been sealed and banned. The land has also been sealed. We know how you people behave here in Auchi. If we live here and you come to load here again, we will still catch up with you. It is banned and it is sealed, and that is what the governor has said. There is no going back on it in this state. No, whether it's in Auchi, Edo North, whether it's in Ekpoma, Edo Central, or in Benin City, we will not condone it and we will not tolerate it. Our investigation, this whole thing started from him and his cohorts. So that was our investigation brought us down to his residence. We are sealing his residence now, and we're giving the sector commander of Auchi sector 24 hours to produce Anefi Kazim and Idris Mustafa. And if failure to do that, they will be declared wanted. 24 hours.